Hello, my name is Dr. Prince Odretu Ishim, and I am the founder and managing director at Horizons Rwanda. We are a team of doctors and healthcare professionals dedicated to making access to Rwanda's healthcare system simple, safe, and transparent. Rwanda today is one of the fastest growing economies in Africa. Alongside that growth, its healthcare sector is rapidly improving and increasingly well organized, with new hospitals, modern infrastructures, and highly skilled specialists. However, for patients unfamiliar with the system, navigating care can still be complex. Knowing where to go, which doctor to see, and how to coordinate logistics often requires trusted guidance. That's where Health Horizons comes in. We connect patients to reliable healthcare services, from specialist consultations to hospital treatment to full medical tourism packages that may include travel, accommodation, transport, and personalized care coordination. Why do we do this? Because too often patients face fragmented services, lack of guidance, and uncertainty about quality. These barriers create stress at a time when people should be focusing on their health. We solve this by making healthcare clear, accessible, and patient-centered. With our medical background, we understand Rwanda's health system inside and out. We work directly with trusted specialists and hospitals, ensuring that patients receive safe, transparent, and high-quality care. We serve in two capacities. For those who need a single service, such as specialist consultation, we make the process quick and seamless. For those seeking a full package, we take care of everything, from your arrival in Kigali, to accommodation, to transport, to medical care, all personalized to your needs. Our mission is simple: to remove barriers between you and the care you deserve, ensuring that your healthcare journey in Rwanda is smooth, reliable, and effective. If you're ready to begin, you can give us a call, reach out by email, or visit our website to book an initial consultation. This first step allows us to understand your needs and design a tailored package just for you.